you want to take them. Got one, nice. I can't believe you killed that one.
Hey, I'm gonna go sit down so I'm here.
So you have a what?
I'm gonna get down so I can shoot.
Oh, can you not shoot there?
I can't get high enough up without having like walk out like 3 feet.
Yeah, when I'm at gray light, I'm gonna get right on the edge and I'll have to back up.
I'm just walking out here. Got it, Dad?
That teal coming in low. I can't see where, I didn't know where Ember was, so I didn't want to shoot it. The teal on the water out there. Gonna shoot him, Bob? Nobody wants on that train? All right.
You just shoot.
No, I was waiting on somebody else to join me. That's what I'm saying. Just
you got to shoot him.
You may not want to give me the green light on that, Bob.
You got green light.
So you do it, boys, right there. I'm about to bat flip this shotgun and we're walking out of here. Call it a season. Bob, what was that one that I shot? Good. That's what I like. Trash, white trash shoots trash ducks. Spoonies are the new greenheads. I like them. I'm gonna mount it. That's too far away, isn't it? Won't keep me from shooting at it. I didn't know old Deadeye was coming today, did you? Been warned.
Well, that dog can't walk because she ain't done this much in 6 months. Ah.
Two out front. That's a big duck, whatever she's getting. I hope it's another spoonie. I hope it's spoonie green. Oh, it's a mallard. Oh.
Here.
You should have shot at that one. Oh, he's wounded. Finish him. Finish him. No. He's gonna coast down over there. Dang. There goes my average, my good average. Out front, out front, out front.
Here he comes, Will.
Too far away, aren't they?
What about these two right here?
Take them if you can take them. What happened to these two right here and I'm the only one that shot? You can't go, hey, these two right here and then call off the shot. Come on. I thought we were on the same team, Bob. You just trying to make me shoot all my shells or something?
You didn't buy them, leave them on the shelf.
What happened to teamwork and all that? I thought we were a team.
They kept getting farther and farther away the more.
You can't go, hey, these two right here. And they go, no, never mind. When I'm on the safety already. Never mind.
Oh, never mind.
Shoot him, boy! Never mind.
one.
Take it. Where? Oh, he's out. You shoot him. You can kill him. Why didn't you shoot him on the water? You got some kind of sportsman award you're going for or something?
No, I was fixing to shoot.
Yeah, and he got up. You trying to get sportsman of the year? God bless. We're here to kill. I was holding off thinking, well, this Will spotted it. Will was gonna shoot. Will pulled up on it first. I didn't know you got all emotional about it there at the last second. Will. Got him, Will! Atta boy!
That's gonna suck.
Got him!
I'm gonna go out there and put these in the woods. Timber.
I was about to have to dog cuss Will. He postered up, postered up right in front of him. I thought he's over there playing on the TikTok and didn't know or something. Got him. Somebody got him. Go, go. I pulled up and I didn't want to be the only one to shoot again, so I didn't shoot. Gosh dang. These two right here we could shoot. You want to shoot them? Nobody else wants to shoot them. Okay, all right.
I'm sitting here looking at them.
Will, they're right above you. Shoot those, Bob. Shoot those, Bob. Are you kidding? There you go. Two more coming, Bob. Two more coming. Get ready. Coming right over top of us. Oh, shoot, they're going over the back of us. They were coming right at us and they went behind us. Got him. I got it. It's in that dog, son. Yeah, I shot at it, didn't I? I mean, did I get it? That's questions there.
Back. Timber, back.
I shot at it.
Back.
So it's dead.
Yeah, I know better. Timber, here.
Okay, are they coming? Yeah. Take them. Man, those were perfect. Those were perfect and we didn't get them. Apparently, these low brass shells won't reach out there very far.